Hello guys, it's your boy Gideons. Welcome to another tutorial video. So in today's video we are going to look at how we can create this modern UI calculator in Python Tkinter. So you can see I have my calculator here. Now let's say I zoom, I close this, then I try to relaunch it again. You can see it right here. It's working perfectly. So now let's try it and see if it works. So let's do some calculations. So first let's try addition. So let's say I can add anything, like see, this is working. So let's try add like a lot of values. Let's see, you can see this is also working right here. Now let's also try, you can see the AC is also working. Let's also try the multiplication. So let's say I'm trying this here. This is also working. Now let's also try these long numbers and see. You can see this is also working perfectly. So now let's try division as well. So we can say 10, let's say divided by 5. You can see this is also working. The division is also working right there. Then finally we'll try the minus, so subtraction, and this is also working. So then we have the clear. So assuming I want to clear something, you can see if I click this, this will also clear. Then this will just set everything back, so this will also clear. Now this is the exponential, so let's also try the exponential. Let's say 2 exponential of 3, that's it right there. So let's say 10 exponential of let's say 2. You can see it's also working right there. So let's also try this. So you can see everything is working fine. Let me also try this and see. Now this is also working fine. Then this is like more like we have bracket right there. Then this is like pi, or I think these are mathematical symbols. So you can see they are all working. You can see something like this. You can also have maybe so if your mathematical if your calculation is wrong, if it's math error, you get error. So these are all working. So let's try this. I think this is also error. Okay, let's say 25. Okay, so you can see now because this makes sense, so we have it right there. So it means if you have something that does not make sense, you will definitely get error. So let's try. It means you have to close the bracket. Okay, so let's say assuming you don't close the bracket, that's where you basically get the error. Let's try and see. So let's try and see. Okay, so it means when you don't close the brackets, that's where you get the error. If I should close the bracket, I get my answer. So it means that should also tell you that mathematical error. Alright, so you can see this is our calculator here. Everything is working perfectly. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to look at how I built this from scratch using Python Tkinter. So if you are here with me, stay with me. Let's begin.